Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 22nd, 2016. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, we're going to see the futures are trading higher by about 3 points right now to 21.61 per contract. And all in all, futures were a little bit higher. They have slipped a little bit, but the reality of it is they were lower overnight and then they rallied back up. So again, we are seeing a market that somewhat seems resilient, and every little dip is being bought. And one thing I will say, the light volume in this market remains in play today and every day. So again, we've seen some extremely light volume this week, at least in the S&P Spiders, and that should be duly noted. So again, we'll see how this all plays out today, but we have lots of stocks in the news, and that's where the money is going to be made today. Let's take a look at Visa. Ticker symbol is letter V. What you're going to see here is stock is trading at $79.09, closed at $78.79. So it is upticking a little bit. I'm going to give it the upside bias to $80. I really don't see Visa getting much above 80 today. Maybe it could, but I really doubt it. So watch that resistance level there. There could be a little scalp play. But again, we'll look at it once we start the session in the intraday stock chat room this morning. All right, let's take a look at StarBucks, another big name here, big corporation. StarBucks right now is trading at $56.80, closed at $57.60. So it is down ticking. You can see in the after hours really plunged almost down to 54, but it has recovered most of that loss. So again, we'll keep StarBucks on the radar, but there's not a lot we want to do with it at the moment. We have to look at this once the opening bell rings. AT&T, ticker symbol T. Stock is trading at $42.20, closed at $42.52. So AT&T this morning trading just down a hair. Not much we're going to do with that one, but we will keep it on the radar once the opening bell rings. Chipotle Mexican Grill, that is taking a bit of a hit. Stock closed at $418.07, trading at $407.82. The stock has been in somewhat of a range. I'm going to say the low end of the range recently has been around $385. The high end of the range around $420. So we're kind of stuck in the middle of that range. I still am in the camp right now. If the stock got down to maybe $396, $395, there would be some support there. But this is one that is a little bit tricky. I don't think there's a lot of downside personally to the stock from here. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Take a look at Capital One Financial, ticker symbol is COF. Stock is trading at $66.78, closed at $67.99 yesterday, so it's down ticked a little bit, but nothing terrible, nothing bad here. It's holding up okay. SWKS is another one here, Skyworks Solutions. This one's taking a little bit of a hit. Stock closed at $70.92 yesterday. It is now trading at $67.50. I do have some levels for this. Right off the bat, I'll be looking at a few and I'll be posting them up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. So if you want the levels here for Skyworks, because we will be trading this morning, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we are doing. But we do have some nice levels for Skyworks Solutions. Next up, we are going to take a look here at AMD. I believe they had earnings. Stock is trading at $577, closed at $522. Nice little pop there. This is overbought on every metric. Be very, very careful trying to own this up here. If you own it, trail your stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, steer clear. Let it play itself out. There's no reason to jump in up here at these highs. Next up, General Electric. Ticker symbol is GE. You all know that company. Right now, the stock is trading at $31.66, closed at $32.59, so you got a nice little dollar downtick. Level I have for General Electric today is going to be $30.20. If it gets there, that's where you could look to step in. If it doesn't, leave it alone, but I do like that level, $30.20. On an overshoot, you have a lot of support at $30 either way. So, again, I will be buying that around that 30 area, most likely 30.20. If you want my exact level, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat trading room, and you will see what we do. Let's take a look at Whirlpool. WHR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $185, closed at $182.72. I'm going to give Whirlpool the upside bias to around $190. That's where the stock hits a wall of resistance. We'll see how it plays out. Right now, when I look at this name, it's getting overbought on every metric, so you got to be careful here. but it may have enough strength to get up there. This is a mover sometimes. Let's take a look at American Airlines. Ticker symbol is AAL. Stock is trading at 36 bucks. It was just a little while ago trading all the way down here at 34.70. Now trading back up to 36. It closed at 34.95. When I look at American, I have to think that the stock right now probably settles in somewhere around here. There's a 200-day moving average on the daily chart around $38.70, and then you got a big level at 40 bucks. I'm just not expecting, if it gets to 40, potential scalp play. Gets to 41.60, no-brainer scalp short play. Let's take a look here at SYK, which is good old striker. And what you're going to see here is that the stock right now is trading at 119, closed at 122.56. So again, when you look at this name right here, it's under a little bit of pressure. I'll try to work out some levels. Right now, I'm going to say if it got down to around 114.5, that's probably a good bounce area. It might be 114.30, but right around there would be a bounce area for SYK. Sticking with the S's, let's take a look at SKX, which is Skechers. And what you're going to see here is this stock is trading at 27.16, closed at 32.18. That's a pretty big haircut. This stock really doesn't have any kind of major support until you get down to around 25 bucks. Then we'll watch it there. Could be a little bit of a bounce play there. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at PayPal. PYPL is a ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 37.80, closed at 40.13. When I look at this one, I'm going to say that the stock doesn't have a great support level till you go around 34 bucks. Gets to 34 bucks, I'm in on the long side. Let's take a look at good old Honeywell, HON. You're going to see that this is trading at 115.30, closed at 118.66. Pretty good fall there. I find support at 114.50. If it overshoots, you're probably looking at 114. So again, some good levels there for Honeywell. I will be looking to play that in the morning. Gold futures right now are trading lower by $6.40 to $1,324 an ounce. Crude oil trading down just 4 pennies. Not much we're going to make out of either one of them this morning. We'll see how this all plays out. With that being said, if you want to come over, trade alongside of us, come on over, check it out, take that 7-day free trial. We're having a great 2016. Going to look to keep that going right now throughout the rest of the year. Okay, we're going to leave it there. Want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.